Say what? Do the ho ho. Okay, hang on. Okay. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas and welcome to the pornographic show. Photographic show. Renebruun, street photographer, back with you. As you're aware or may not have been aware, it depends if you watch my videos. I'm just back from Iceland, which should have been called Very Cold Land, not Iceland. 2 days before we went, they had snow, it rained, it disappeared. Rained when I was there, very overcast, and 2 days after I get back, very heavy snow again. A bit unfortunate. So if you've seen some of the videos, or if you haven't, I will insert some footage now of the ice caves of Perlan and the Sky Lagoon. Absolutely brilliant. Probably one of the best holidays of my life, I have to say. Took the old reliable Leica. Love this camera. It's 9 months old to me. Obviously it's much older. Love it. I've discovered very quickly that sorry, just scratch my face there just to be awkward. In the city centre, 28mm, not great for street photography because you probably need wider. The street, especially there, the streets are so narrow. Let me just mention that letter of the alphabet again. Yeah, so I took some photographs. I just realised I said M again. I'm going to go through some of the photographs that I took and tell you what I thought when I took them, give you some information, maybe do some re-edits. So sit back, relax, enjoy, offer feedback, like, subscribe. I'd also like to thank very quickly while I remember the 60 odd new subscribers in the past month. I wanted to get to 1,000 by the end of the year, but about 841 now, so I'm very happy with that. There's over 200 videos there, so there must be something people like, you know. But yeah, so let's kick it off. So yeah, basically there was grey skies and rain for the few days I was there. It played havoc taking photographs, in fairness. Couldn't really get many colour shots because sunrise was 11:30 in the morning, sunset about 3 p.m. So you've only a few hours of light, and even then it's not great, especially when it's overcast and raining. So I opted for the black and white. The colour, it wouldn't have popped unless you had good sunlight, you know what I mean? So I've taken a few black and white. It was hard taking photographs, because basically most of the people on the streets were tourists. You know, Icelandic people were working, or they had common sense and decided to stay in with the temperature being -17. There's that letter again. I should probably put a big up here. So yeah, most of the shots I'd taken were black and white. I tried to just capture a few different things. There's a favourite shot, which is one of 2 shots I'd taken. But it was the one that technically wouldn't be a brilliant shot, but I just love the picture itself. So let me go back near the start. So these are kind of it. Okay, so the hotel alone. The hotel actually had some very interesting woodwork, you know, which around, I almost thought like it was, I don't know how to describe it actually, I just thought it was very interesting. There's these 2 wooden characters behind us that every time we were sitting at a certain seat, you'd look around and you'd think there's people there, but obviously there wasn't. Likewise, when you walk in the door, it looks like there's a bench there with a guy sitting on it. The staircase was very weird. We never used the staircase, lifts everywhere, but the staircase went up like 5 flights of stairs, even though it was only a 3-story building. So that was unusual. We went to ice caves in Perlan Museum underneath, and that was pretty cool. That was a very interesting experience. On top there was the observatory, where there was a restaurant, and then you go outside the observation deck. Very windy, very cold. Went downtown one of the mornings. You won a prize. You hear that bing? Sorry, that was just my lunch cooking away there. Went downtown one of the mornings. It was very overcast again. If you used film cameras back in the day, and you know about grain, even with the Leica M8, the grain in the digital shots, the black and white, some of them are like golf balls, and you'd understand that expression if you're over the age of 40. Golf ball grain, which is nuts. Yeah, I'm just going to go through some of these photos. I'll actually put them on the video as I'm talking, and we'll see what we get. I'll do voiceover as well while I'm going through them. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy Iceland.